In this video, I'll show you how to record calls on Android phone. And recording your calls on Android phone is super easy. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to record your calls on Android phone, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go ahead and make a call or receive a call. And once the call gets received, what you have to do, you'll get to see the three dot line. You just need to tap on this three dot line, and under this point you'll get to see the record. You just need to tap on this record button and tap record anyway, and your call recording will have started working. Now you can manually stop the call from here, and also you can drop the call and the call recording will be automatically saved to your phone. And now to find out the call recording, you just need to go to the phone application once again, and inside the contacts you'll get to see the person that I've recently recorded the call for. So you just need to tap on the person name from the list, and you'll get to see the call recording being saved here. Now you can easily play the call recording from here, and also you can share this through other social media application, and also if you want you can delete the call recording from here as well. And this is how you can record calls on any Android phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.